Hello everyone, my name is Dhanush BS. I am pursuing my first year engineering in Computer Science and Cybersecurity in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering. Today's topic is classes and objects. Introduction to classes and objects. So classes and objects are fundamental concepts in object-oriented programming. So classes are blueprints or templates for creating objects. So objects are instances of classes that have their own state and behavior. Defining a class. So classes are defined using the class keyword followed by the class name. So classes can have attributes which are variables that store data. So classes can also have methods which are functions that define their behavior. So let's see about creating an object. Objects are created using the constructor method of a class. The constructor is a special method that is automatically called when an object is created. So objects can be assigned to a variables and use it to access the attributes and methods of the class. Let's see about access modifiers. Access modifiers control the visibility and accessibility of attributes and methods. Public access modifier allows attributes and methods to be accessed from anywhere. So private access modifier restricts access to only within the class itself. Encapsulation. Encapsulation is the bundling of data and methods within a class. So encapsulation hides the internal implementation details of a class. Encapsulation helps protecting the integrity of the data and improves code maintainability. Inheritance. Inheritance allows a class to inherit attributes and methods from another class. The class being inherited from is called the parent class or base class. The class inheriting from the parent class is called the child or derived class. So let's see about polymorphism. Polymorphism allows objects of different class to be treated as objects of a common parent class. Polymorphism enables code to be written that can work with different types of objects. Polymorphism helps achieve code reusability and flexibility. Method overriding. Method overriding allows a child class to provide a different implementation of a method that is already defined in the parent class. The overwritten method in the child class must have the same name, return type, and parameters as the method in the parent class. Method overriding is used to achieve polymorphism and dynamic method dispatch. Method overloading. Method overloading allows multiple methods in a class to have the same name but different parameters. The compiler determines which method to call based on the number and types of arguments passed. So method overloading improves code readability and eliminates the need for the multiple method names. So let's see about association. Association represents a relationship between two or more classes. It can be one-to-one, one-to-many, or many-to-many relationships. So association is achieved by creating object references as attributes in the participating classes. So now let's see about composition. Composition is a strong form of association where one class contains objects of another class. The contained objects cannot exist independently of the parent class. Composition is used to model as a relationships. So now let's see about aggregation. Aggregation is a weak form of association where one class can contain objects of another class, but the contained objects can exist independently. Aggregation is used to model part of relationships. Aggregated objects can be shared among multiple instances of the parent class. So let's see the conclusion of this topic, classes and objects. So classes and objects are essential concepts in object-oriented programming, which is shortly called as OOP. So classes define the structure and behavior, while objects represent instances of classes. Understanding classes and objects is crucial for building modular and reusable code.